stuck here thinking, where did it go? Morning to midnight, chasing all these new heights. Now I'm just stuck here thinking, where did it go? Distance, building castles in the sand. Are we hopers, dreamers, expecting it would last? That it would last in all the ways, like the fortresses we made before the ocean